up, guys? Coda here. I ordered a package. I don't know if it's going to be in the title or not, so I'm not going to specifically say something. You will see it in a second. Anyways, I ordered this package, but there's a lot of bull crap going on with it, so let me just show you guys. Sorry if my hair's a mess. I haven't gotten a haircut in a while, but this is what I'm dealing with. I'll show you guys right now. Yeah, without getting too much stuff in the other way, it says important tracking info, FedEx, blah blah blah. Please make sure to track FedEx as directly on the FedEx website for your status of your shipment. Delivery instructions below. Number 1, unwrap and inspect all items before signing. Keep that in mind, before signing. If there are any signs of damage, you must sign your name as damaged and contact us immediately. It is your responsibility to inspect the entire shipment before the driver leaves. Before the driver leaves. Failure to do so releases their company from liability. So, I mean, when I first got that message, I was like, okay, that seems fair. I can do that. Just talk to the dude. Maybe just like have a little bit of conversation with the driver. A working phone number is required. Freight companies may require a phone number to schedule delivery. And they want me to sign it off and everything, except it's delivered unexpectedly. Signature not required. That's where I'm in the little dilemma with this whole package. So let's just hope for the best. I'll show you guys the package, and you'll see why I'm a little bit worried. That's also why I'm recording this, because, you know, if some bullcrap kind of wants to happen, get it on camera. I'll show you guys quickly. Oh, sorry about that blur. Big boy package, okay? Big boy package. Let me show you guys the package, because there's an issue. Let me know when you guys see the issue. Just donning it in. Just a little bit of helpful advice. Let me know when you guys see the issue. Let me know when you guys see an issue. You know, let me just let me know when you guys see an issue. I mean, like a big issue, like anything issue. Anybody? Anything? The way this was packaged, if it was me, if this was packaged like this, tape all around this. Not even second guessing. They didn't do that. Issue? Bigger issue? Bigger? Issue. Okay. Yeah, okay. So, I'm sure it's dawned on you guys, the issue. So, yeah, like, I literally am not going to be using my knife. That's how easy it is to open this package. Are you kidding me? I didn't even pull. Guys, I swear, if this package is destroyed, I'm literally going to be on my ape shit. But you know, packaging is absolutely garbage, doo-doo. None of the stuff that they sent me was correct. No signing, no damage signed, no waiting on the driver. He dropped it off, no signature. It literally says on the website, no signature required. So, if this still falls out of their liability, that's bullshit, because you guys literally see no delivery. Well, the delivery came, but no driver waited, no signature required, and the box. Don't even get me started on the box. There's literally more staples than there is tape on this box. Insane. This package was expensive. What's in this is expensive. I'm not gonna cap. This shit was expensive. So if there's something wrong with this, we have an issue. The only tape I see, like, what is this? Why is there tape just sitting here? What the hell is this? Okay. Enough talking. Let's get this package opened. Let me just add, if I really had to open this in front of a delivery driver, this would have taken forever and just ruined their day. And I would apologize to people who actually have to do that in front of delivery drivers. I'm so sorry. I get the first piece. I'm already seeing a huge chip right here. Huge chip. That's not a baby chip. That's a big boy chip. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys these real quick. So we got the front part of the wide body kit, if you didn't already guess what it is. These are also front pieces. This paint is really coming off here, and it's chipped pretty badly on that corner. Not a big deal. But, yeah. What's up, guys? Another day, 350Z. when I got the 350Z, the 350Z grinds on its balls, so it scrapes pretty hard. The fitment's okay. Most of you guys actually like the lower ring styles of the 350Z, but I prefer, you know, kind of a stance, like a staggered stance, like a drag stance. So today we're going to be putting the springs, the stock springs, back on the 350Z, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do super hardcore detail on like how I'm doing it, but I will like do a before and after of the 350Z, and I'll let you guys know. So I'll go ahead outside and show you guys what the 350Z is sitting at right now on its 2-inch Megan springs, 2-inch drop springs, and then I'll show you what we're working with the new springs, and then we'll put those in. I'm sorry about the light in the background, but yeah, see you guys in a sec. So on the car right now, we have this 2-inch drop springs that came with it, and you can kind of see there's not a lot of room for wheels. And wherever I'm going to be putting bigger wheels on here, so I need to lift it, and it would help not to scrape every time I'm trying to get over a speed bump or get out of the driveway. But yeah, they're on 2-inch Megan drop springs, and we're actually going to be putting them back on the stock springs, which I'll show you guys in a second. So we got the 350Z lifted. I'm sorry for the compression noises in the back. The compressor noises in the back. These are my stock springs. And you can see under here we have Megan springs up here. And we have a AST. Yeah, maybe, I can't remember. Strut. And we got aftermarket, you know, arms and all that stuff. So we're just replacing the springs. And those, when those come off, we'll put in the stock springs. We're doing the front because the front's hardest, get the hardest done, and then go to easy. So yeah. Update, you guys can probably tell that it's actually a lot darker. It took me and my father pretty much all day just for this one spring. It was a pain, but basically now that we know how it came off and what to expect, of course I've mentioned to you guys before that the person I bought the car from didn't do a good job of putting it back together, so we have some complications to fix. But we know how to take that off and put it back on, so hopefully tomorrow when I work on it, it'll be fine taking it off, putting it back on. The rear is going to be easy, so we're going to do the rear too. Hopefully be done with the stock springs, and I'll update you guys tomorrow. And we're back, guys. This has been a 3-day process of getting these front struts on. And I say struts because I mean struts. I know we put the front springs on, but just let me show you guys what's been happening. You guys probably remember me talking about the cars. I always had some like complications, like the guy who built the car didn't really even know what he was doing. So there's specialty bolts that go on the lower end of the strut, and one had a lug nut, one had a castle nut. Every single castle nut under that front suspension didn't have a cotter pin with them. I'm still stuttering the word. They didn't have a cotter pin. We literally would take the important like front camber arms, lower control arm, all of that stuff, the bolts, boom, moved loose immediate. No force on them, no torque specs, no I can't talk, dude. I'm just excited to put this car down. Okay, so we have, I'm not sure if you guys can see. Oh, hold on. Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys can see that shiny bolt under there. That's a grade 10-9 specialty bolt in a metric size that we had to buy from the store, and it's on both sides, but it's just insane how much dumb stuff was under this car. But yeah, stock springs are on. I'll show you guys the old springs. They're not only were they extremely heavy for the car, they were super tight. You guys can see the orange ones are the front springs, and the black ones are going to be going on the back here soon. But it was just so dumb, all the complications under this. So right now I have jacks under here. I'm going to quickly take the jacks off and then put the thing down. So first see the lugs on the actual wheel aren't tightened down fully to spec, so I'm going to lower the jack just a little bit, just grabbing the ground, and then tying them up. So you might see that in the process, so be right back. bet y'all enjoyed that view, huh? So we got the back, you know, got that gap, and now we got the fronts. Really? That's hilarious. That's super funny. I'll probably end up spending another 3 days getting the back ones on. Hopefully not. I think the front ones are the hardest ones. Back one, pretty much just get a jack under there and lift it up. But yeah, I'll see you guys then. Peace. What's up, guys? Another day. I have to be real quick because it is actually 3:07 p.m. and these tire places close at 5:30 p.m. So we get about 2 hours. I'm gonna quickly do a little cinematic go of me taking the back tires off. We're gonna hop them in the Jeep, and we're gonna head on over to my local tire shop and see about getting some used 245, 45s, or R18s on the back. And yeah, I will see you guys in a second. Boom. Alrighty, so I'm out of breath. These are what the tires looked ahead. These are 225 by 45s, 225 45s from size 18. I'm gonna put 245s on because these are stretch-on, so I'm looking for a bigger sidewall. But during the crash, you can see this whole line is gashed. See, there's the tire, and it's just whole all the way through. So this was on a life and a leg, and just flat from the camber it had on it, and yeah, that's that tire, and then this tire is just flat, and might as well replace both. So I'm going to put 245 on. So we're going to be heading to the tire shop, and I'll update you guys when we get the new tires on. 245s for 45s are on. These are used, got them pretty cheap. Joey's Tire Shop, so yeah. Awesome. See you guys at home when we're mounting the Z tires. These most likely aren't going to work. They're probably going to rub. It's not gonna... Really? How bad is it? That wasn't as bad as I thought it'd be. So you were messing with me the entire time. How do they look driving? Oh my lord, they look a lot bigger when you're looking at a side angle. That looks so cool though. It almost makes me want to get like 15-inch rims and put like bigger tires on the back. Yeah, these are big tires. Hopefully I won't slide all over the road now. I'm gonna see if I can take y'all on a ride with me, just for a little bit. This will probably be a very, very short clip because my battery's gonna die in a sec. But yep, for a quick drive. See how she handles. Hopefully she doesn't rub. Okay, so far so good. Not hearing any rubbing. she's a lot more grippy. I'll keep her low RPM since I haven't driven her today. I did drive her yesterday, and I had her running earlier. Obviously, you guys saw me pull the clip in the driveway, but it has been probably, what time is it now? About an hour, 2 hours. So I'm gonna take like an aggressive turn maybe and see if it'll rub. Definitely not hearing anything yet. I'm gonna go back and forth real quick. Not feeling anything, but I can definitely feel it. No rubbing yet. My exhaust popped. I'm gonna roll my window up. My exhaust popped, which I thought was rubbing, but it would have rubbed a lot more. Let's see her on this turn. I took that turn pretty aggressive. It didn't rub. I think me and my dad think that the only way we're gonna rub is the squat from the torque. So I might, you know, take off pretty aggressive in a second, which will most likely move the camera, so you'll probably see a bad angle here in a second. I'm actually gonna pull into right here. No, that wasn't a rub. That's just me bumping. I'm gonna be quiet now, see if I can hear it. Nah, it didn't rub. Of course, I didn't give it a lot of torque. There's cars behind me. I might lunge it a little bit around this corner. Just a little bit. But I didn't feel any rubbing right there. Didn't feel any rubbing right there either. She was sliding right there, but I don't feel any more rubbing. Yeah, definitely slid right there. And now I got a truck right in my ass, which is always nice. But you guys definitely heard her sliding right there. It was sliding, but I definitely didn't hear any rubbing. It was a little bit of, I hear my exhaust. It was a little bit of wheel hop, but I didn't hear any sliding. And for anybody wanting to know, I didn't go anywhere above the speed limit. I was actually going under the speed limit right there, like genuinely. That's probably why that truck was riding my ass. So when I say that, it wasn't like, oh, this guy's on my ass, he's being an asshole. No, he was going the speed limit, but he's probably wondering what the hell I was doing. But yeah, it's probably it's a 35 right there. I probably did like a 28 and it broke the tires loose. You guys heard it. I know you guys did. But yeah, as far as I can tell, no rubbing. All right, my battery's about to die. I'm surprised it hasn't died yet. If this is the last clip, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys see the new stance, back on 2-inch springs, running good. Yeah, she slid, but you know, gave her a lot of torque right there. I'm on my phone real quick. Battery died in my camera. I'll show you guys why the tires lost traction and I slipped all over the road. I'm a quick pressure check right now. Check this out. 45. 40 in this tire and 45 in the other tire. We're gonna lower that down to 30. So that's why I was sliding. We'll get much more traction another time, but that's the end of the video. Time for some Fox body footage. you got tiny mirrors.
Yeah, it is super hard to see out of them. Like, anytime I look out, I literally have to turn my entire head.
It's smoother than the 350Z. Do you want to go through here again?
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
They're gonna be out here and they're gonna be like looking. I wouldn't do anything because they could be looking now.
I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna just turn around.
Yeah. It'd be funny. They just like looking in the street, sweeping up my Jeep. I don't think I made a mark. Oh fuck! I made a big mark.
I unintentionally make tire marks outside my house sometimes.
Oh, they got a whole fucking Fortnite radar up there. Sorry. She sounds good. Damn. She's planted.
I don't push it often unless I'm with someone, honestly.
The Jeep would have slid right there, 100%.
That's all about them wide body tires. It may scrape my fender wall, but man, does it grip the road.
Bro, I bet this is just badass. Just holy shit.
60.
Hey, let's go. Yeah. Dude, there's nothing better than the sound of a V8.
Exactly.
Especially an old-fashioned 5.0. Kid in the road. Awesome. Yeah. Easily gripped up, dude. The Jeep would have slid right there. Yeah, she's gripped. Holy shit. That's awesome. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Coda, signing off till the next video. I will see you guys soon. Thank you.